How to set gradient in Microsoft Word document as a background, as a page background. So design, page color and fill effect. Here find out the gradient. Here you can select the one color, two color or preset. In the preset you can see some options like gold. You can select the shading style horizontal or from center and click on OK like this. You can make changes. The rainbow. Thanks for watching.